Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I would like to show you how to install a Terraform in a Linux machine. First thing we have to do is to go to the official site of Terraform to download the binary file of Terraform. And here, this is the Terraform official site, terraform.io/downloads.html. I scroll down to find the Linux 64-bit. I right click, then I copy the link. And here I am on my Linux terminal window. First thing I have to do here is to use the wget command to download the zip file on the Terraform package. So wget, then I paste my link here, then I press enter, ls, okay. Then I will use the unzip command to unpack the zip file of Terraform binary. Unzip Terraform. So here we can see the Terraform binary. Then with the move command, I move the binary file to Terraform 2/bin. And also I will change its ownership to the root user with the chown command -r root /bin/terraform. Okay, and now we can test the Terraform installation by checking its version or simply by using the Terraform command. Terraform -version, okay, v0.12.24, and Terraform command to list all common commands and all other commands. Thank you guys for watching.